Hi guys, nice to meet you. I'm Shin from OPPA. This is my first review on YouTube. I'm a little nervous today, but I'm going to try for you guys. Okay, today I'm going to show you a little cute portable fan. Its name is Foldable Handy Fan from BT21. Let's have a look together. There are 7 kinds of characters that you can choose. Jimmy, Koya, Cookie, Mang, Tata, Shuki, and RJ. I'm going to pick one of them by roulette to unbox for today. Tap here to spin this roulette. Okay, Tata has been chosen. Let's open it. Just a normal package, and let's have a look inside. There are several accessories, which is manual, hand strap, and charging cable. Let's look into the fan. You can unfold the fan like this. This is how it looks when you unfold the fan. You can see 2 blades here, and this fan doesn't have a safety guard for blades, but you don't have to worry about it. The blades are so soft because it's made of rubber, and even when you touch this accidentally, it stops working immediately. To operate this fan, you can find the button here. Click here to make it spin. One more click makes spinning stronger. So there are 2 steps to adjust the spinning power. There are some more interesting features. You can use this fan as a power bank. Here you can see USB port. Through this port, you can charge your device such as mobile phone. I will show you how it works when this fan charges my phone. Wow, look at this. It's working well, looks really useful. You can take this anywhere and use it as long as it's charged. And also it can be used as a flashlight. For this fan first, click the power button for 3 seconds. Look at this. It is not super bright, but enough to find something in the dark. See? Plus, you can stand this on your desk. Then you don't have to hold this all day, right? Alright. That's it for today. How was my first review? If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to click like and subscribe for more videos. Okay, I will catch you guys in the next video. See you later. Bye.